In today's video, I will teach you how to make a dual tone lighting using Photoshop. Let's get started. First, open the image that you would like to edit in Photoshop. Now, create a new fill or adjustment layer by clicking on this icon at the bottom of the Layers panel. Then, select Gradient. Now, adjust the angle of the gradient to which side you would like it to reflect. You can also change the color of the gradient by clicking on the bottom arrow pointing to the source of the gradient. Make sure that the other side has zero opacity as well. To change the opacity, simply click on the arrow pointing down to the side that you would like it to fade, and adjust the opacity on the slider. Once you're satisfied, click OK. Now, change the blending mode of the gradient layer, and in this tutorial, I will use Multiply. Then, change the opacity to your liking. To change the size of the gradient, simply right-click on the gradient layer and select Rasterize Layer. Then, press Ctrl-T to transform and resize the gradient. Now, repeat the same steps to the other side of the image that you would like to put a different lighting as well. Just make sure to adjust the angle to where you would like it to reflect. And you're done. You can now make a dual tone lighting using Photoshop. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell so that you can be updated whenever we upload new tutorials.